For optimal performance, it is important to ensure your SKOPE cabinet is properly installed. Poor positioning will result in excess power usage and will reduce the cabinet's life, as the main components will run harder for longer. While empty, cabinets should be positioned near the power source, as this avoids potential damage when repositioning a full, heavy cabinet. To ensure the self-closing doors work efficiently, install the cabinet on a level surface. When positioning the cabinet, avoid direct sunlight and hot air from adjacent equipment. The cabinet will work more efficiently and economically in the coolest possible location. Adequate ventilation around the cabinet is essential for efficient, reliable operation. If the airflow around the cabinet is compromised, the refrigeration unit will cut out due to overheating. Avoid placing boxes and similar items against the cabinet, particularly over or in front of vents. For SKOPE's recommended airflow distance around the cabinet, refer to the specific model's user manual. For further information on this subject, please refer to the product model's user manual. This can be downloaded on the SKOPE.com website in the refrigeration support area. Alternatively, you can contact our customer services department on free phone Australia 1800 121 535 or New Zealand 0800 947 5673.